Bro, look at this, man. We just got the, I don't even want to guess how many of these are missing. Surprises from freight. So this shipped out like, I want to say almost 3 weeks ago. And we were wondering why it hasn't got here, but I think now we see why it took so long to get here. I checked the tracking number earlier and it said that it was in an accident, and then like 4 days later it was in another accident, so this thing had a rough time. But we'll check it out. We might have some B-stock stuff for y'all to buy, be better pricing for y'all. So xspower came out with these Titanate batteries probably a couple of years ago, maybe even 3, and the demand on them has been insane. Like we have never been able to keep them in stock for probably longer than a week, but they really overdid it like they always do with their products that they come out with. So this is a Titanate S6 Power S6. So this is a 14 volt battery. So if you have a 12 volt system, don't try to put this in your vehicle. This is for 14 volt, 10 amp hour, 144 watt hour. It comes with, well, we'll get you an overlay of it. But anyway, so very nice batteries. So we're working on getting all the different types in. The Power S5 is a very popular one as well. We have those on order, but they've literally been like on right at a year back order on these things. So insane. So be on the lookout for more Titanates to drop on down for soundshop.com. You also have this cover right here, so if you're looking to do in your install, you want to make it really clean, you can have your wires run up through here and you put them, you can see that, you can put your wires in there and you set screw them down right there. You put this cover back on, so it would look really clean on your install. But cool to finally get those in after, I don't know, we probably had them on order for I don't know how many months. So if you need a Titanate S6, we got them in stock, but I think we only got like 30 of them, so they won't last long. Check it out in the description below. You know, there will be a link there for you to grab your Titanate today. I'm Sean with xspower. We are featuring some of our newest products we've got out, including our tried and true products. I wanted to show you today our Titanate technology. It's been a lot of people have spoken about this. It's been a long way coming. This is great for high output alternators, stock alternators, with your AGM under the hood, with a super bank, and also even works with your AGM charger. Now this little thing weighs about 10 pounds. As you can see close, it has the logos on each side, and it even has built-in bus bars on each side, which take 4 1-aught inputs. Nice and easy for installation. So if you want to, you can mount it flat and there's no wires showing. It can have a completely discreet install. This is the safest lithium product on the market. Come see us at xspower, or come see one of our dealers to get you one. Guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.